Hi guys, this is nice math problem. 4 divided by 2 bracket 1 plus 1 is equal what? Here 4 divided by this 2 multiply 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 4 divided by 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, but it is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here this 4 divided by this 2 multiply 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Now I have to work with this division. Here 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, multiply this 2. 2 multiply 2 gives us 4, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.